Push-up, scapula. If you're an adult gymnastics skill seeker who wants to build strong and powerful shoulders to unlock gymnastic skills, you're going to want to train movements like scapular push-ups. Scapular push-ups help build shoulder protraction and retraction, strength and flexibility, which transfers into a lot of gymnastic skills. Here's how they work. Start in a kneeling position on the floor. Place your hands shoulder width apart with the index fingers pointing forward. Twist your hands into the floor towards your pinky fingers and notice how the elbow pits rotate forward. This creates shoulder external rotation and helps to position the shoulders in a much stronger pushing position. It also helps to lock the elbows. From here, move into a front leaning rest, or FLR, with the heels of the feet together, the legs straight, and the shoulders leaning forward over the fingertips. Before commencing the scapular push-ups, set a strong posterior pelvic tilt, PPT, by contracting your glutes and tucking your tailbone between your legs. This creates a nice hollow body shape. Next, keep the elbows locked and actively push down into the floor with the shoulders. Spread your shoulder blades across your back and allow the upper back to round. Do not allow the shoulders to shrug up towards your ears. Keep the shoulder blades depressed by pulling them down towards your back pockets. This is the shoulder protracted position at the start and end of each rep. Keeping the elbows locked, retract the shoulder blades by pinching them together behind your back. Again, do not allow the shoulders to shrug up towards your ears. This is the shoulder retracted position at the bottom of each rep. Finally, reverse the movement by protracting the shoulders and returning to the starting position. While performing scapular push-ups, it's essential to keep the elbows locked, lean the shoulders forward over the fingertips, and maintain the PPT and hollow body shape. Scapular push-ups can be performed for repetitions, isometric holds, or a combination of the two. Performing 10 reps with a 10-second shoulder protracted hold at the end of the set is a good starting place for most people. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.